Welcome to the ATME College of Engineering and the Department of Mechanical Engineering, a hub of innovation, technical excellence, and industry-oriented learning. Our department is committed to shaping skilled engineers equipped to meet global challenges.
Myself, Dr. Chetan S., Associate Professor, Head of the Department leading the Department of Mechanical Engineering, affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi. The department has advanced laboratories and modern facilities and also has a research center recognized by the team.
Our experienced faculty combine academic excellence with industry exposure, guiding students in academics and research. The team includes experts from diverse specifications with PhD holders and research scholars. The department offers modern infrastructure including ICT-enabled classrooms, well-equipped seminar halls, and a dedicated department library to support academic excellence. Welcome to the Laboratories of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, where theory meets practice and innovation takes shape. Our labs are designed to provide hands-on experience, enabling students to understand core engineering concepts through experimentation, analysis, and real-world applications. The Energy Conversion Laboratories focuses on the transformation of energy from one form to another. Students gain exposure to internal combustion engines, compressors, and turbines, studying their performance, efficiency, and operating characteristics. Students explore the behavior of fluids at rest and in motion in the Fluid Mechanics and Machinery Laboratory. Experiments on flow measurement, pipe friction, and hydraulic machines like pumps and turbines provide valuable insights into the fluid dynamics. The department has state-of-the-art advanced CNC cutting machine that facilitates students to precision manufacturing and automation. Using computer-controlled machining systems, students learn programming, toolpath generation, and high-accuracy metal processing. This lab bridges the gap between conventional machining and modern industrial practices, preparing students for Industrial 4.0 environments. To experience engineering in action, in our Metrology and Measurement Lab, students unlock the power of precision with cutting-edge instruments and quality control techniques. Stepping into the Foundry and Forging Lab, where molten metal flows, sparks fly, and raw materials transform into powerful engineered components. This is where skills are forged and innovation takes shape. Design Laboratory fosters creativity and engineering innovation. Students engage in product design, modeling, and analysis using engineering principles. This space encourages problem solving and the development of optimized solutions, preparing students to tackle real-world decision challenges. The Manufacturing Laboratory provides well-equipped, hands-on experience with traditional and modern production techniques. Students work with machines such as lathes, milling machines, and drilling units to understand material processing and fabrication. This lab builds essential skills required for manufacturing industries and product development. These laboratories collectively ensure that students graduate with strong practical knowledge, technical competence, and industry readiness, shaping them into skilled mechanical engineers of tomorrow. Beyond academics, the Department of Mechanical Engineering promotes holistic student development through active participation in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Our students enthusiastically take part in technical events, workshops, and competitions, winning several prizes and showcasing their innovation and skills. They also excel in sports and cultural activities, achieving success at intercollegiate and university levels with strong teamwork and dedication. These experiences build confidence, leadership, and a competitive spirit, shaping well-rounded engineers ready for future challenges. Beyond classrooms, our department empowers students through industrial visits, technical conferences, and real-world exposure, bridging theory with practice and inspiring innovation, confidence, and career readiness to students.
The department provides a dedicated training in technical skills, soft skills, placement training, and as well as in domain-specific training to enhance the skill in the students to get the career opportunities. So in order to enhance the skills, department is offering domain-specific training of 4 different levels, which is started from 4th semester to 7th semester. And we have 3 different domains, namely design and manufacturing domain, automation and robotics domain, and thermal engineering domain, which will enhance the students to get the better opportunities in present-day advanced mechanical career opportunities.
The Department of Mechanical Engineering continues to inspire, innovate, and lead. Join us at the Department of Mechanical Engineering and be a part of engineering excellence.